Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Ford F-150 Super Crew with the clean CARFAX. An EcoBoost engine. I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See, it does have the tow hooks up front and fog lights. Alloy wheels. And the FX4 off-road package. Power sliding back window, bed cover, spray on Bedliner. And there's your bumper pull tow package. And this FX4 package has the skid plates. Alright, so we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. It does have black leather seats. Another 12-volt outlet here in the back. Here's a shot of the VIN right here, and I will upload still photos of that as well. Okay. So we have our key fob and push button start. So we'll go ahead and run this through the startup. Okay. All right, and as you look down here in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see that it has 111,801 miles in this vehicle. And then you've got your trip computer toggles, your cruise control, your stereo controls, your push to talk, 2- and 4-wheel drive. And then up here you've got your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. Your climate controls as well. And your phone and apps, and then your system settings. And you do have a 110-volt outlet over here. And then as you come down here, you've got your comfort controls, which you'll see that you do have either heated or cooled front seats. And then you have 2 USB ports and a 12-volt outlet right there. And then this is folded down, but it actually seats 6 if you fold this up. And as you come up here, then you've got your map reading lights and your sunglasses holder and your switch for your power sliding back window. And that about wraps it up for this F-150 on the interior. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.